Today I'm going to show you how to make a bigger flame on your zippo lighter. First you're going to take this out like that, then you're going to get a flathead screwdriver. You're going to unscrew it like that. Make sure you have a cup to put all the parts in because you don't want to lose them. Then once that's out, you can pull this piece right here out. Pull that out, and then you need a pair of needle nose pliers to get everything out. Okay, once you did that, you need to get the wick. Most of the time the wick is all nasty. If it'll focus. It's all nasty and black, so you just want to get another pair of bigger pliers and just cut that off. Or a pair of scissors. But it'll probably ruin the scissors because there's a copper wiring inside of it. Like that. And you're going to find the hole in there. You're going to put this wick through it with your small needle nose pliers. Maybe. Alright, so once you get it inside, just make sure that the wick is over the chimney, and then you're gonna try and keep it in there, and then stuff the rest of that wick down there, and then start putting your cotton balls back in. And you can use your screwdriver to push them back in if you want. You can pull them apart if you want. Find it easier to pull them apart. Then get the fluffy pieces and just roll it like that. Then put it right there. And pack it down with a screwdriver. It just makes it easier so you don't have to find the small pieces of the cotton balls. Alright, now once you got all of your cotton balls in, you're going to put this piece over like that. Alright, so when that's done, you're going to get a piece of flint, if yours doesn't have any flint, out of one of these. So once you get your flint, you're going to get this piece that has metal at the end. And that hole that's right there, you're going to put your flint down there first. Then you're going to put this thing down there, and you're going to push down. Push down, then like that, and screw it on. You can just screw this on with your hand because you don't want it too tight. Like that, and then you're going to get your fluid. You get your Zippo lighter fluid. And you're gonna open it up. Gonna lift this stuff up and then pour some in there. Close it up because that stuff will evaporate fast. And then put this stuff back in. And put it in like that. The first strike with the flint is a little crusty, but once you get that layer of paint or whatever that's on there off, it's not that crusty anymore. And when you let your Zippo, oh, I didn't put enough fluid in it, so then your flame will be taller than what it is in the factory.